Turn on your smartphone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth functions. Press the power button to turn on the camera. Open the app. Connect to Go3 through the app. When connecting Go3 to the app for the first time, you will need to confirm the connection on Go3's touchscreen. If there is a firmware upgrade prompt, you can click to start the download, and the system will automatically complete the upgrade. After the connection is successful, complete the activation according to the steps. Go3 Custom Settings. The functions and configurations of the buttons can be customized and modified according to your personal preferences, using the app setting page or the action pod. When the camera is turned on, you will see the following information on the display. Tap on the blank area of the screen to hide or display all information on the touchscreen. Slide down from the top to enter the camera settings. Swipe from the right to enter the shooting perimeter settings. You can choose from auto or manual, with the ability to swap between the two easily depending on what you need. Swipe up from the bottom to enter the shooting parameter settings. Configure further shooting settings here. Swipe from the left, and you will enter the album page. Here, you can preview any photos or videos you have taken so far. Swipe from the center of the screen left or right, or click the mode icon to enter mode switching.